Hello, and welcome to my C# tutorial, where I'm going to be going into more detail with you on string. So strings is a data type, and we can apply that in programming, where we're doing words instead of numbers. We can do multi-line strings to a variable using more than one quote, or we can just do three sets of double quote, two sets of three double quotations, and they need to be a double in C#. So first, we're going to make a comment saying it's a multi-line string. To do that, you just do // twice. And you could say it's a multi-line string. And then we could call our string sentences equals. You can also do the @ one double quote, quote, again and again. So we've got our triple quotes. Right? So we could say this is our first sentence. And then what we could do that. We could do this is our second sentence here. And then what we can do then is we can do console.writeLine and just do sentences. So if we were to run it, works like a charm. So that works like a charm. So you can do it, do multi-line strings. You just need the @. You just need the @ sign to make it. But what we can do, we can unindent like that. We can run it and see if that works like a charm as well. Or you might find it's going to be the same, which it isn't. So we just need to bring that to the end, which I'd be very surprised if that actually worked, which it does in this case. So let's try another one for that. This is quite a surprise that this actually works. But we've actually done it. Our multi-line string in C#. Because my initial thought process would have been to use string of sentences using a \n. So this would have been my solution. \n, and then in singles as well. \n, and just 1, 2, play or run it. It works exactly the same, but you'll see that there's no quotations there. So you can do it whichever way you like. But this would be my preferred solution. Okay, so we know it works either way. Another thing we can do with strings is we can find out how long it is. So what we can do is use the length function. So let's say we want to have a full name. So I'm going to do string name equals. I'm going to do my full name here, which is fine. And then what we need to do is console.writeLine. And then this is where we get the kicker. So we could say length of my name is. This is where we need to do the plus, and then we would need to do the name dot the length. name.length, name.the_length, and you don't actually need to have another set of brackets. Some programming languages you do, some you don't. So let's run it anyway. And that works like a charm. So we've got 28, including the spaces. In programming, they class space as a character. So if we get rid of all the spaces in that string, it's going to go down to 24 because each space is a character. Yep, and that works like a charm there. So let's see. Yep, so that is string variables. I hope you've enjoyed this video. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And I look forward to making the next video for you. Thank you very much and goodbye for now.